Yeah, right. So like when I first bought this Amigo, it was two-wheel drive, wasn't four-wheel. Of course, I've converted it. I used the 88 4x4 pickup truck transmission and front drivetrain. It's all the same. Here's the back seat. I haven't been in this thing in a long time. It kind of sits here. It's got a good battery, but anyway, let me see if I can focus this camera better than this. Shit. I'm using a professional photography camera to film this. Alright, so you see how I took the speaker box carpet and I sewed it along the back seat. Of course, I pulled out my two headrests and just poked them through the fabric. But anyway, all this right here was busted up pretty bad. Now let's see what it looks like. This is what it looks like when I made the bend. I cut it with scissors and I made it make the bend. Then when you get down to the bottom, I kind of just, you know, got sloppy with it, but it doesn't matter. It looks good and the seat's not coming apart. And of course, I put fabric all over the place for my children. I don't know if you can see that. That's from my dogs. But I pulled it in tight. Anyway, I thought I'd share that on because every Amigo I've ever looked at, first gen, their seats were torn to shreds at the top, and I had to find some way to fix that problem. I knew that every one of them was going to be that way. So this is my first gen 92 interior.